everyone, I'm Soman from grade 2A. Today we are going to study about plastic. Did you notice anything about the toys we use nowadays? They're made up of plastic. But what about our great-great-grandparents? What they played with? Their toys were made up of wood. They need to cut so much trees and it takes so much hard work. But plastic does not need it. So, in 1856, Alexander Parks discovered plastic. So, the other things that can melt is ice, plastic, and much higher temperatures, metal and glass. So, let's do an experiment. So, all you need is hot water and 2 bags of candies. Step 1. Put the 2 bags of candies in the container of hot water. Now, take the sticks and push them in and wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll see which one will melt. The options are just completely melt, or stay as a solid, or just melt part way, which just means it will just get a bit squishy. After 2 minutes, let us check. So, the chocolate, it just melted, but the marshmallows, they did not melt. So if you're going on camping, which is very hot, you cannot take the chocolate, but you can take the marshmallows. Thank you.